So, you ripped your rooftop tent. How are you going to fix that? Well, here's a couple steps you can follow. I'm going to use a baseball stitch on this. The nice thing about the baseball stitch is it brings the fabric together while providing support. So the way you do the baseball stitch is kind of like a baseball. I'm going to go in. You can see the needle poking out where you want to come out. Okay, and you can see it pull the fabric together, right? Then I'm going to go again into the cut, into the rip, bring your needle through. Now one of the questions you're going to have is, well, how far should I do the stitching? So just follow me down here a little bit. See the stitching right here? Can you see the distance there? This outdoor fabric right here, this outdoor fabric does a pretty good job of holding bigger stitches than you would generally see on a home application or a sewing machine. So I used to do this all the time. This is how I also repaired high quality rafts. You can sew high quality raft material and then use adhesive to close it up. So that's what I'm going to plan to do here. I'm just going to continue on here with the baseball stitch, and then we'll come back with some adhesive. That's what it looks like when the sewing's all complete. So we've prepped the stitches. I actually just have a little piece of material behind here. It's actually a small level. Got some clamps here stretching the material so it's nice and flat. And now I'm just going to use some of this seam grip from Gary, and I'm just going to spread that across there, and that should seal it up pretty nice. Well, the eclipse has started, so that's pretty exciting. And this is coming along pretty nice. Just gonna check it, make sure we got good level so that it doesn't run off. But I think that's gonna make a really nice seal. That stitching with that sealant, I think it's gonna do just fine. There. So that's the eclipse backward through a pair of binoculars.
That is so weird. Look at my fingers. What is it even doing?
Changes the waves. Wow, Redders. Weird shadows. Weird stuff happening.
Wow, that is amazing. It's where the angle instead of the light streaming through normal, it streams through. That is so cool.
That is weird. We've got it curing in the sun now. I think it's going to be just fine. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.